Hi everyone, welcome back to Highbrow English, where learning never feels boring. Today, we'll play a super fun game. Test your vocabulary. So I'll be giving you 5 words and you'll get 5 seconds to reveal the answers before I reveal. So grab a notebook or just shout out aloud the answers. Are you ready? Let's go. So the word number 1 is serene. It means calm and peaceful. So the example is, the lake seemed serene in the early mornings. Next word is reluctant. It means hesitant or unwilling. The sentence is, he was reluctant to speak in front of the class. Third one, elated. It means happy or overjoyed. Now the example is, she was elated when she got her dream job. Word, diligent. It means hardworking and careful. A diligent student always makes progress in life. Final word is bizarre. Bizarre means something unusual or strange. That was really a bizarre movie. I still do not understand it. Tell me, how many did you get right? 1, 2 or all 5? Comment below your score and do take up this challenge with your friends too. If you enjoyed this quick vocabulary challenge, then hit the like button, subscribe Highbrow IELTS and turn on the bell, because we'll keep doing these every week. So let's keep learning English the fun way, one word at a time. See you in the next video.